Look around you. Look at the perfect balance in everything that exists. That is not by chance. That is the work of the Most High, the one who created, proportioned, measured, and guided. Every star in the sky, every blade of grass that sprouts from the earth, is a sign of his absolute power and wisdom. He is Aalaa, the Supreme, far beyond any imperfection. He gives life to the green pastures, and then they turn to dust. This is a powerful reminder for us. This life, with all its glitter and distractions, is temporary. It is a fleeting moment, a cycle of growth and decay, just like the pasture. But we often forget, don't we? We chase the immediate, the worldly, while neglecting what is eternal. But you were sent a guide, a message preserved and protected, a reminder for anyone who fears and respects the divine order. This is your chance to achieve true, lasting success. It is not found in what you accumulate, but in what you purify. Success is for the one who purifies his soul, who remembers the name of his Lord, and who prays with a humble heart. Don't be among the wretched who turn away, choosing this fleeting life over the hereafter. The hereafter is better, and it is everlasting. This is not a new message. This is the same eternal truth revealed in the scriptures of Abraham and Moses. So, rise, glorify the name of your Lord, the Most High. Purify your heart and strive for a success that never fades. Strive for the eternal gardens over the temporary pasture. That is your true calling. That is your ultimate success.